Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, to my lifestyle. Today I'm gonna share y'all a quick, tasty and healthy methi egg fried rice, which can be made under 10 minutes in the busy morning and also can be packed as a lunchbox and can be cooked by a beginners as well. So without much wasting time, let's get started. Methi lowers blood cholesterol, helps to control diabetics and also helps to lose weight. Whole eggs contains decent amount of several vitamins, calcium and zinc. So let's get started. In a kadai, add oil. Once the oil is heated, add jeera. Now add chopped garlic. And now goes in chopped onions and few red chilies as well. Sort it well. It's almost done. Now goes in a handful of methi leaves, or according to your taste you can add this as well. I am adding a handful of methi leaves. Sort this till the raw smell goes from the methi leaves. It looks like this when it's completely cooked. Now goes in 2 whole eggs. Now add salt. Give it a good mix. So it's done. Now add cooked rice. A small amount of pepper powder as well, according to your spiciness. Remember, we have added chilies as well, so based on that we can add pepper powder. Sort it well and serve it hot. So try this methi egg fried rice and let me know how this turned out. Please do like, share and subscribe.